Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Echo Dot 4th generation. Okay, let's unbox this. So this is the main parcel inside which we are having our Echo Dot. It's really hard to unbox. Let's do it in this way. It's quite easy. Yes, we got the parcel inside. The Amazon logo. And the Echo Dot with clock. Let's open it. So here the Echo Dot, and this box contains like one Echo Dot and power adapter and two manuals actually. So let's remove the plastic. Yeah, so it has few buttons and a display, so where we see the time. And this one is a power adapter, and we need to plug it 24/7. So these are all the manuals inside. So that's it guys, and this is my first unboxing video, and I know that it is not that much attractive, but bear with me, I'll post some exciting videos about the Alexa. Thanks for watching.